Good afternoon, students. Today, accountancy. Last class, we all studied financial statement analysis. The financial statement analysis, so many sums already. Previous class, so many sums discussed. Today, common size statement and balance sheet. Common size statement and balance sheet. What do you mean by common size statement? Listen, students, this is 5-mark sum. Common size statement and balance sheet is a 5-mark sum. The common size statement show the relationship of various items with same common base expressed as percentage of common base. The common base or total asset or total equity and liabilities or revenue from operation. The sum main content total liability or total asset is using this sum. The common size statement includes common size income statement and common size balance sheet. These three methods, common size statement, common size income, common size and balance sheet. Today we are discuss about common size balance sheet. In the common size income statement, revenue from operation is taken as 100 and various expenses and income are expressed as a percentage to the revenue from operation. In the common size of balance sheet, the total of balance sheet, that is the total asset or total equity and liability is taken as 100 and various assets and liabilities are expressed as a percentage of the total assets or total equity and liability. The common size statement can be compared with those previous year. Compared with previous year. They can also be compared with those of similar business with similar accounting policies. Listen, students, 3 points. A common percentage is calculated in 100. One. Second point is total asset or total liability. Third one, calculate in previous year expense. Previous year expense. Okay, students, today I explain one sum. Illustration 7. Prepare a common size statement of financial position of Salim Limited 31st March 2017 and March 2018. Listen, students. The sum is this one is question. This question is you calculate only in percentage only. Okay, 2017 percentage to 2018 percentage only you calculate. The sum is equity and liability total. Next one, asset total. Okay, the listen, students, you use single page, you not enough. You open and double side paper, you clearly you underline, clearly you put column, you write, you use in double page. Okay, first the top column is what? Blue line. You enter common size balance sheet of Salim Limited as on 31st March 2017. 17 March 2018. You write same particulars, equity and liability. Next one, same asset you enter first this 2017. First you enter 2017 you enter means next column is percentage of total asset on 31st March. Total asset on 31st March 2017. First you calculate listen students, first amount what 5 lakh rupees, this 5 lakh first amount. Next one you used in 2 lakh rupees. Okay, first one 5 lakh, next one 20 lakh rupees. This 20 lakh rupees you calculate 5 lakh divided by 20 lakhs into 100. Listen students, first one is 5 lakh, total asset is liability 20 lakhs. 5 lakh divided by 20 lakhs, answer is into 10 into 100. 100 means around 100 percentage. Answer is 25 percentage. Answer is 25 percentage. Listen students, this 20,000, this 20,000 and first one 5 lakhs is 5 lakh divided by 20,000 means answer into 100 means answer 25 percentage. Next one, listen students, that the last note each and every year percentage you compulsory, one calculation you compulsory you write. Okay, second one is 4 lakh divided by 20 lakhs into 100, percentage is 20. Third one is 8 lakhs divided by 20,000 into 100. Answer is 40. Next one, 3 lakh divided by 20 lakhs into 100. Percentage is 15 percentage. Next, first you total and equity and liability percentage is total means total percentage is 100. Total percentage is 100. 100 only you put 100 means you correct this sum. Okay. Next one, asset. Listen students, first 1 year you complete means next second year you start. Okay. Second one, asset 10 lakh rupees. First one amount is 10 lakh divided by 20 lakhs into 100. Answer is 50 percentage. Answer is 50 percentage. Listen students, each one by one you percentage notes compulsory you write the note. Okay. Next one, 5 lakh divided by 20 lakhs into 100. Answer is 25 percentage. Next one, 3 lakh divided by 20 lakhs into 100 means answer is 15 percentage. Next one, 2 lakh divided by 20 lakhs into 100, percentage is 10. The total assets value of percentage is 100. The total value of percentage in asset 100. Listen students, 1 year you complete means second, third one, absolute amount on 31st March 2018. This same content only this side. Listen students, this is very easy sum. You any doubt means next live class tell you doubt you clear. Next class you ask. Okay. Listen students, Next I am 2018. Again one time I explain. Listen students. First 6 lakh rupees divided by 12 lakhs into 100. Listen students. I calculate only one entry. Right. Five lakh divided by 5 lakh divided by 20 into 100. 100 into 100. This is calculation. Listen students, 12 lakh, the total value of this 2018 is 12 lakhs. Okay. First amount 6 lakh divided by 6 lakh divided by 12 lakhs. 12 lakhs means last 12 lakhs, no. Liability 12 lakhs into 100 percentage is 50. Next one 3 lakh 60 divided by 12 lakhs into 100 percentage is 30. Next one 2 lakh 40,000 divided by 12 lakh into 100 percentage is 20 percentage. The total is 100. The total is percentage of 100. Next one, liability. Liability 100, the 2 over. Next one, asset. Asset value, first one is 6 lakh. 6 lakh divided by 12 lakhs into 100. The percentage is 50. First one. Second one, 2 lakh 40,000 into divided by 12 lakh into 100. Percentage is 20. Listen students. This is the total liability and previous year amount into 100. The total liability value previous year amount into 100. Listen, previous year means first value. First value divided by the total liability value. The total liability value means only total liability is separate, total asset is separate. Listen students, do not confuse. First you separate in liability value. Next one asset value. Next one 2 lakh 40,000 divided by 12 lakh into 100 percentage is 20. Third one 1 lakh 20,000 divided by 12 lakh into 100 percentage is 10. Last one 2 lakh 40,000 divided by 12 lakhs into 100. The percentage is 20. The total value of the percentage is 100. Okay, listen student, the common size balance sheet statement is very easy only. This is compulsory board exam, important one, 5 mark sum. Listen students, total liability and total asset is already in calculating question. Same amount only, you put two additional column, only you put enter. Additional column means two additional column means one is one previous year, one is current year. That column is percentage column. That percentage of total asset of March 31st 2017 and 18. Okay. Listen students, I explain one book bag sum. Okay, listen students. Sum number 11. Prepare a common size statement of financial position for the following particulars of Yasmin and Shakti Limited. Listen students. Equity. Listen question. Particulars, equity and liabilities. Total already given. Next one. Asset also same. Total. You put only in absolute the year of which year? Here no, that is name only mentioned. Name only you mention means you put additional column is percentage. Only you enter percentage only. You calculate in first one I explain in equity liability side I explained. Next one Yasmin in put one it's additional column in percentage. Additional column in percentage. Percentage column first one 5 lakh total the value of liability amount value is 5 lakh rupees. First one is 2 lakh rupees 2 lakh rupees divided by 5 lakh into 100. 5 lakh into 100. The percentage is 40 percentage. The percentage is 40 only. Next one 50,000 divided by 5 lakh. The total value of 5 lakh. Listen students, this liability side you divided only in using in only in 5 lakh only. Okay. This total value only you use. 50,000 divided by 5 lakh into 100 means that percentage is 10 percentage. Okay, listen students. Easy calculation 0 cancel means you only small double digit amount only you divided. Answer is very easy. Next one 1,50,000 divided by 5 lakh is percentage is 30 percentage only. Next one for 1 lakh divided by 5 lakh into 100 means that percentage is 20. The total percentage is how much? The total percentage value is 100. You 100 percentage means your sum is correct only. Some less means some less or excess means your sum wrong. Okay. You easy assume wrong only. Okay students. This is very easy only. Listen students. This class work. This sum you enter. Listen students, clearly watch the sum. Easy the each and every important sums this lesson. This lesson very easy only. The common size statement very easy and common size. This one is 5 mark sum is common size balance sheet method. Any doubt means listen students. Next online class you tell. Any doubt means. Okay students, thank you. We will next one class we will meet next one new topic. Okay, thank you students.